Hello traders, as you can see in this trade, do you feel like, we have missed out on this trade? Is there a fear of missing out? Are you looking to jump in? Now let's analyze this trade truly and thoroughly in real time. Hi traders, welcome to our live trading session video and thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is Stu Naupan here, founder of Master the Markets Interest Conference and the Traders Open Day. So let's take a look and analyze this trade at the moment. Of course, as you can see, some news had come out. That's why there is a big spike over here. Regardless of whatever happens, you have to follow your plan and you got to know what is it that you are actually in the game for. What are you today looking to capture?
If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone.
Let's take a look at Forex Factory now very quickly just to see what the news has come out for GBPUSD. So as you can see over here, traders, you can see that there's quite a lot of news over here on GBP, right? All the way up to 12.30 over here. Now, if you were to analyze that, so there's the Bank of England, Governor Bailey speaking, and then you got the asset purchase facility and so much more red flagging news which will trigger the currency as such, okay, and there's an official bank rate votes as well, which has become more positive than expected as well. So hence we are looking at the big spurt in price. The official bank rate has been still kept constant at 0.5%, still a little bit of increase from the previous 0.25%. Okay, that's what we've had before. That's why it has, you can see the big increase and shot up in price on GBPUSD. But do remember, never ever trade just on price alone, on news alone, I would say, because you also have to combine technicals on top to see if the price sustains itself. And also just be aware that half-one, the ECB press conference is going to happen as well. So here, what are we then looking at? If you were to just to analyze our trading plan, if you were to see over here, we had our pattern set up, as I've mentioned before in our previous trading videos as well. We had our pattern set up here, lower stretch line being broken by this bar here, retracement over here, and then after that what we're then looking for is a continuation primary setup, okay, because this has been more than a secondary retracement. That's the thing about us over here, we quantify everything. Remember that if you do not understand any of these concepts, firstly, look at all our live trading session videos from before on a YouTube list. Our guys at the back end have kindly put it all into a playlist. So do take a look at that. I'll show you later where to go and take a look at that.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
So as you can see over here, then the price action happens. That's our trigger over here. Okay, that's our price action setup over here. The continuation primary setup. At that point, we put an entry point, pending order entry point here, to see if it does come back down to trigger us in. Okay, so at that point we didn't get that. It went above, so we didn't get triggered. No money loss yet. We'll still keep it there because it's still the primary here. After that, news broke out and we didn't get a trigger at all. So that's what I updated. There's no trigger over here. Okay, so this is how you actually get rid of this whole fear of missing out and jumping into a trade like this, and it goes in your favor, because it's not according to your plan. And if you do that, you are then inculcating wrong habitual patterns in yourself to then take future trades like that and lose back your profit. So you don't want to do that. Clarity is first your best friend, and as professionals, we only take the trades that fits our plan, which gives us the true edge in the long run of numbers. Okay, so that's how you first overcome the fear of missing out. And the other thing is, and this definitely we don't consider this as a mistrade because it was not according to our plan. Okay, right. The last thing what I do want to tell you is our monthly performance so far for last Jan. You can see we did a bit of a review. All the trades, if you're taken according to our plan, that would have been 107 pips just on only GBPUSD. At £10 a point, that would be £1,070, which is really not bad for all the small number of trades and the passive feature of this and the scalability of this as well, that you can leave it to run in the background as well. Okay, all the other trades are just based on different filters that we are looking at. Remember, this when you're on one instrument, you are more than free to go and expand it to other instruments as well. If you do want to learn how to do this, then of course feel free to book in a one-to-one session with our friendly trader coaches. We'll be happy to serve you and support you on your trader journey ahead. Now, in terms of the YouTube playlist where all the intraday videos are, let me show you where that is. So if you head on to our YouTube channel, which is this one here, youtube.com/master the markets, once you land onto here, over here you can see all the different videos that we've got over here and all. But if you head down to playlist, you can also take a look from the latest ones here, live trading sessions. But if you do want the playlist, go on to the playlist over here. Really some great playlists over here that we have. But in terms of the live trading session videos that we've got, you can see this one over here. That's about 148. We've compiled all of them together for easy viewing. So any of these terminologies, the intraday terminologies that you do not know, you can always go over these videos and learn about them as well. Okay, so I guess that's pretty much that from me, and also the traderstarterpack.com. That's the one, traderstarterpack.com. If you go onto there, you can also learn in a very structured, organized way of through a 5-part video series that we showed in Empire Cinema actually, on how to actually approach the markets in a very systematic, methodological way as well. Alright, okay, I guess that's pretty much that from me on this video. If you need any new topics covered or anything like that, just to comment below this video. Alright, that's all from me on this video, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.